Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Task Manager easily in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to press on your keyboard Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Here it is. You can see Task Manager. Or you can open your Task Manager in another way. Now go to your taskbar. Right click your mouse. Here you can see Task Manager. Click on it. So this is how you can open your Task Manager easily in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.